Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your host, host, and a friend, Ali Darshi, once again back with a weekly review, but this time it is a bloodbath. Coming back, it has been a tremendous week. Totally red. Everything what was predicted has gone down. Every stock in every sector had a beat down. Everyone is crushed, and everything is crushed. Why this is happening? What is up? Is stock market crashing? I assume a little bit yes. Stock market is having a difficult time. All the indexes, Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, Russell, everyone had a beat down. Why this is happening with all of us when we want to make money and we are unable to make it? Well, it is not something we have to worry about that much because this will be coming back again. But for the moment, yes, it is having a beat down, and I assume next week will be the same way too. Regarding why this is going on in the stock market, I I want to explain it to you guys, but it is a little bit on the macro level. Economics, the way the government is doing, the way the inflation is kicking in, the way the money is being printed, the way interest rates are going down, the way the bonds are getting purchased by the feds, the way things are happening all around, and that is affecting the stock market. And it will be affecting the stock market unless we get some kind of a relief or some kind of a thing. But relief also is creating problems now. Every time you give a medicine to an ailing patient, you so for the moment the pain eases, but after a while the pain kicks in again. So every time a stimulus won't be helping you that much, though it will be coming out, but in the longer run it is not good for the health of the country itself. Regarding the stock picks which I gave you last week, whatever I predicted, it didn't happen, and the way the stock market has performed, it is absolutely in a critical shape right now. I assume the bigger names are also going down right now, and I have seen a couple of them going down right now, but it will not change the face right now of the red to the green immediately. I assume next week will also be the same way because the feds are buying the bonds which are given by the government, which are by the government, and there is no interest rate on them. So they are trying to hedge the interest rate, they are trying to curtail the interest rates to keep it as low as possible, but by printing money, more money and more money. So but if you assume you are getting money and you are having it in your pockets in the name of stimulus or in the name of other things, this is not a good thing happening to the country. As far as the stimulus is concerned, I assume it has been passed by the House right now, and it will be moving to the Congress for voting in the next week, and you will be finding yourself having some kind of a stimulus package coming down your way. But it is not a good thing. It is absolutely not a good thing. We are losing money, inflation is kicking in, we do get money, we are getting money, but it is in our own pockets. Government is not having any kind of a relief in that sense, and to save things, the country has to start producing itself. It has to be self-sufficient, but it is not happening that way. We are getting imports from all over. We are having a lot of debts right now, accumulatively 27 trillion for the moment. That's what the number I got, and it might be increasing a little bit more in the coming months and coming years, until unless we find a solution to curtail this. Coming down to the stock market, it is absolutely, have to we all have to be very cautious now. Next week we can see a lot more decline, but we have seen already a lot more decline, but up approximately 15-20%, and now we might see a little bit more, 5 to 10%, until, well, once we start going back up. Well, you guys all have to be very vigilant with your investments. If you are holding, keep on holding, because things will change. If you are in a good position, sell it off, secure your money, and be on the side for the moment. I guess the coming week will be the most critical one, until unless the stimulus is applied. Once the stimulus will be applied, once the announcement will come, the market will be having certain kind of a push. It will be coming back to the green. I will be doing my stock picks for the next week. That will be coming down soon, and hopefully, I am pretty hopeful that things will start to change slowly and gradually. Now, the correction was due. Everyone knew about that. We all were having a little bit of hint that okay, market correction will be there, but we didn't expect it that it will be on such a broader scale. People, those who were investing in bitcoins, understanding that a lot of companies are now offering and coming down in purchasing bitcoins and asking and giving people platform to buy it, and they will use as a financial debenture. Mastercard, which allowed, which said basically they will be looking into it, they came out and they have declined that they won't be using bitcoins as a formal currency or as a formal form of payment. So, what will be happening? Bitcoin will be coming down. I assume it will be coming down. Yes, but the companies which are listed in the stock market as miners or as blockchain companies, they will be a little bit better, but they will be going down too because they are all going with the market as they increases, as the Bitcoin price increases, their company stock increases. As the Bitcoin falls, they come down crashing. So this is what is happening. You talk about Mara, you talk about Riot, you talk about SOS, you talk about HVBTF, you talk about any of the stock picks which I gave you last week. They will be having a little bit of pressure, a little bit of push. If the market didn't performs well next week, they will be having a much more beat down than what they have right now. But the red days are the buying zones. If you have money cash available, see the opportunity. If you are having a certain stock in mind and they are in your buying zone, in your buying levels, go for it, buy them, because it's not getting extend. It is having a rough moment right now. Rough weather is going on. We are on a ship which is surrounded by storm right now. So the storm will be sliding down and everything will be coming back to normal. It is only a time, a time will be the only essence which will be playing its role. We all just have to be very patient with it because it is a rough ride. I really wanted you guys to have my golden nugget, but that golden nugget got struck by lightning on Monday. And absolutely, it was CCIV. I was putting my bet on, but as soon as the merger got announced, it started dipping because the merger got announced at the valuation of 11.75 billion, and that took a beating. That took a real hard beating. It came down 50%. It was on the highs of 60, 58, 60, but as soon the merger announced, the aftermarket, it was all bloodbath. It came down in 30s now. It is in 30s, 20s and 30s right now, and it will be going up, but for the moment it doesn't seem so. So if you are holding a bag right now, keep holding because you will be coming out of it. But it might take a little bit time. Talking about growth stocks have performed a little bit well because they were containing itself. They are having a bigger market cap. They are having a bigger existence. So, but that will be recommended for the moment. But I will be coming down with my stock picks in a different zone, so you guys can at least save your money, make your money, and come on the track of wealth. Because I this is my basic objective, to make you guys empowered, and to have you in a situation where you are creating wealth, where you're making wealth. And tomorrow when I'll be coming down with my stock picks on Sunday, it will be something different, and I want you guys to look out for that. I know this week it has been a harsh reality for all of us. Next week cannot be different, I assume. It will be one of a time check for us again. I really want you guys to succeed. I want myself to succeed. I want every one of us to succeed. It is just about time we take good decisions. We hold when we have to hold. We show patience. We have to understand that the market is absolutely going in a critical phase right now. So, understanding this, I really want you to empower and understanding with the education I will be providing it to you. I want you guys to perform well in the future ahead, and I want you guys to be wealthy again. If you guys have lost money, this is the name of the game. Sometimes you make some, sometimes you lose some. Don't lose hope, because hope is the biggest thing right now. All we have to do is keep good faith in what we are doing, and we have to be hopeful for a better time to come. But we have to do it with vigilance. We have to be educated, we have to learn, we have to understand how we will be playing things when coming out next week, and how things will be getting different. What difference we can create with our stock picks, with our investments, with our things. That is something we have to watch out for. Tomorrow my new stock picks will be coming out, and I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share my channel. I know this week has not been a good one, and I cannot do much on this, but we will be doing something positive. We will be trying to curtail ourselves, we will be trying to cut our losses, we'll be trying to come back to the trajectory of profitability. And this is all we can do, is with hope and good faith. Let's do it, let's turn around, let's make it green again, and let's be faithful in whatever is happening and whatever the decisions we are taking. Like, subscribe, and share my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.